thought they had this on Thursday.
Here have finished his Lego project. This is super cool. What is it called, Z?
It's called The Joker and the Three-Headed Person.
Awesome. So we're gonna put it in the competition and we'll let y'all know how it goes. Okay, help her shoot. Help her. Y'all, look at the view out here. OMG. The other day we tried to get the view and we couldn't because the fog had came so fast to where we couldn't even get the view. So here is the view. We are still at the library. I'm gonna show you the other part. But look how the fog is coming over the mountains, and once it reaches us, that's when the rain. Like it's starting to sprinkle right now, so the fog is really coming. But it is so pretty. I'm gonna have to get a better view of it daytime, but it's starting to, okay, Mama, it's starting to sprinkle, y'all. Look, you getting wet, London? She got her pretty dress on. Okay, it's raining. She got her pretty dress on, but we on the balcony of the library, okay? Like I said, look at the mountains. This is so gorgeous. Wait right there. Yeah, they act like they scared of rain. It ain't gonna hurt them. It was cold inside that library. I wanted to come out and get a little, feel some heat, but shoot, it's getting windy out. Woo! Out here, I'm getting wet. Let's get in. All right, Lion Gang, so I just add the sausage, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that browned. I already have my ground, back up girl, my ground beef. So I'm getting the sausage browned up in there like so. Put that back on the stove, but I'm gonna lose my heat. So I'm just get that mixed up in there. Okay, and I already added my salt and pepper to my meat. All right, Z, I need the Z.
What do you need? She fell on the bed. She did herself. I don't have my...
Don't get in the camera.
Grab mine.
I need you to bring me the phone so I can show the packets I'm using. All right, Lion Gang, so I'm gonna add these to the meat. All right, Lion Gang, I'm about to add the chili, and I'm gonna do my little twist with it. I'm gonna add a little bit of this garlic in there as well. So y'all just watch me do my thing. So I have my chili my meat right here. I just have to make some room. Let's just sit you over here. Sit you right there while I get them out of here. Got the arms going. So mind you, this is already chili, and it has its own little meat, but I wanted more meat. Okay, so we're gonna just do this like so. We just giving it a little flavor. Okay, that's all we doing. We just giving the chili some flavor. Because, you know, chili ought to have beans in it. Hold on, so I'm gonna add in some more. It's got sausage in it, y'all. So this is that Jimmy D. Hold on. There's music. This is that Jimmy Dean. It's got Jimmy Dean sausage. And I have my own little meat in it as well. I'm just making it real meaty. Yeah, I do not like these little mosquitoes that be up in here. Ooh, that looks good. Smell good too. So, all right. I just dressed it up. Look at that. Ooh. All right, Lion Gang. So I did 2 separate chilies because the kids don't like garlic. So I'm adding garlic into this one, and I'm gonna add the beans. So let me stir that garlic. Oh no, come over here. Yours in the microwave. Hold on. Okay. Wait. Z, grab that bowl. So this is half the oh, I can't. Yeah.
You want to burn yourself? Go ahead, burn yourself. Come on. Hold it. So you can burn yourself. Yeah.
Oh, y'all, this garlic smells so good. No, don't give it to her. Just hold it for a second, baby.
She said she want to burn her hands. So
No, don't.
I just
What
let her
I
hold
say?
it. Guess what? I just gave it to her and she didn't even scream.
Okay, but what I say? Okay, y'all. So I'm getting the beans out of here and watch this transformation. Y'all, it seems like they don't want to come out. Okay, so watch this transformation. Hold on, I have to add a little bit of water to this. The other one, the ones without the beans had more sauce. So, but this is gonna be good, y'all. Watch how I hook this up. We're gonna let this get to a heat here. Like I did the other ones, we're gonna let this get to a heat. Okay. Let that come to a yeah, I'm doing a reel while I'm recording this video, so I'm still with y'all. Let me just go ahead and do this last little part of the chili. Okay, let me see how it came out. Hold on, Lion Gang. Yeah, it looks so good. I gotta taste it. Ooh, I gotta taste it.
Mom.
It's so meaty. It's so meaty. Baby. When I tell you it's meaty, okay, baby. Yeah, you want it now, huh? Y'all, she didn't want it at first. Now she wants some. Actually, I'm gonna give her some of mine because she ain't gonna eat it. Hold on, Lion Gang. All right, Lion Gang. So this is the other one. I was about to scoop me some. Hold on, y'all. This other one that I didn't add beans to, and it's just chili, meat. It's just meat. It was from this can to no beans to being meaty. And I want to taste this one as well. Let's see how this one tastes. I know that one's off the chain. Let's see this one. This one has a little more flavor.
Yeah. Mommy has
Okay, put it in.
Mommy has Mommy.
Now this one have way more flavor
Mommy has
because it's only meat. And y'all, you know what? Okay, baby, this is hot. Hold on. That Jimmy Dean. Okay. I added that Jimmy Dean to this and pause that for a minute. Y'all hear music? Hold on. All right, yeah. So y'all, like I was saying, I added Jimmy Dean to both of these, and oh baby, it really brings okay. It really brings out the flavor. Okay, here. It really brings out the flavor when you add it to your chili. So y'all should try it. Y'all, I be trying new things. I mean, not to say it's new, but everybody don't fix a can. They don't fix up the cans. Okay, baby, it's hot. They just throw it, you know. Get this down. Yeah, this one's good. She's about to like this. Here. But I can't give you only meat because you would choke. You gotta get some more hot dogs. Hold on. Okay, y'all. So, put that one back on there. Let me sit this one right here. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the... Oh, actually, I might show y'all what I'm gonna fix. So, I don't know. I'll see y'all later. Alright, y'all. So, I end up making me some nachos with...
Hello.
Hold on, baby. With these Chester hot fries.
Mommy got try.
So I end up making me some hot fries, and I'm about to take a bite. I'm also doing a reel, y'all, so I'm trying to do both at the same time. Let's see how this plays out. I'm just gonna take a big bite. All right, how much room I got left on here? Yeah, it's gonna run out. Okay, here we go. Ah! 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 Work, y'all. I was trying to like this, y'all. Just take a big bite, but they don't want to stay on the spoon. See how big that bite is? I want that bite for this video. Let me see. I might could still do it. Let me go back. Hold on, Lion Gang. All right, Lion Gang. So let me do this. Y'all, this is hard work. Okay, here we go. Big bite. The big bite. Baby. Y'all, it's so good, it's dripping. This is so good. There's got a little hint of spice. Hey, quiet. Y'all, she loves to talk when I'm on a video. Love to talk.
What's that talking about?
Yeah, I know. I'm talking about you.
Mommy's Rabo, but Mommy's Rabo.
Okay.
Mommy's
Good job.